travelers. How are you all doing today? Ye blessings. Thank you so much for pressing the play button. Please feel free to stay and to join the others. The mathematical wizards will restore your energy while you are here to learn. It is so great to have you. I am Johnny, your host, with HomeCountry Mathematics. I truly appreciate you. Let's learn some math, shall we? Ye wonderful learning individuals, it is a pleasure. Okay, let us continue on and finalize this area of mathematics, writing mathematical expressions for verbal expressions, writing verbal expressions for mathematical expressions. Let's carry on. Okay. The next problem, or the next one we're doing, I like to look at it in a positive sense. K squared minus 11. K squared minus 11. Listening to that phrase, I hear K squared minus 11. It is that easy. All right, great job. Recall, and I'm going to share a little snippet reading math. First power. When no exponent is shown, it is understood to be 1. For example, a simple variable such as a also can be seen as a to the power of 1. Therefore, if we write the value 3, it is also implied or known in the background as 3 to the power of 1. Things that you learn, isn't that amazing? It absolutely is. So, continuing, if we write 3 to the power of 2, it also means 3 squared. 3 to the power of 3, we can also say 3 to the power of 3 or 3 cubed. 3 to the 4th power, and 2b to the 6th power. Take note that the 6th, the power of 6, belongs to the variable b, not to the whole number 2. Therefore, 2 times b to the power of 6, 2 times b times b times b times b times b times b. X to the nth power. Remember, numbers are infinite. Great job. Continuing on. Word problem. Let's try to draw a circle. Oh, look at that. Isn't it amazing? Where is the center? I don't know what is with the program today. It wants to draw crooked lines. What is up with that? That is okay. It all looks good from an airplane. Continuing on. Geometry. The word problem says the area of a circle is the number pi. Have you individuals, do you know, whoops. Let me grab the right tool. Have you seen the word pi before? Pi. Pi is actually a constant. And it is a very long constant. Whoopsie doodles. I'm learning how to spell. I honestly wish I had a pen tablet. Okay. What is the value of pi? We will do a rough value, but it is a floating decimal point. Pi, and I'm going to say approximately equal to 3.14159. And it goes on for what seems like forever. Pi as a fraction, this is the closest fraction that they've come up with. As an approximation in fraction form, 22 divided by 7. And that's an approximation. Okay? Now, if you want more accuracy in your mathematical calculations, it depends on how many significant digits you would like. I recommend using the decimal form. That's okay, that's pi. So pi is a constant, and it's basically a constant between a ratio of values. So let us continue and finish with this question. The area of a circle is the number pi times the square of the radius. Okay, so they're saying the area. The area is basically the face surface. Now, let's use the right tool. So this is a two-dimensional image, but basically the area is this surface, the face of the circle. We will do more problems in the future. Area, typically denoted as A, equals the number pi multiplied by the square of the radius. Okay, so this is the center of our circle, the radius is half a circle. The total distance from point to point hang on. I'd like to do this a little better. Okay. This is denoted as D, which is the diameter. Okay, and D is equal to 2 times R. Okay? So I've run out of room here. So I'm going to clean up a little bit using my eraser. Okay. Area equals pi multiplied by the radius squared. That is our answer. Okay. So the question was to write an expression that represents the area of a circle with a radius r. Good job. Okay. Let's clean up. And that's it. Okay. Thank you for watching. I believe that is the end of that section on writing mathematical expressions for verbal expressions and writing verbal expressions for mathematical expressions. Good job on that, everyone. I appreciate you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and take care.